Hey guys, welcome back to Dual Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new benchmark. Today we're testing out MotoGP 22 for the PC. Today we're running this on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the Intel HD 4600 integrated graphics. We're running with 16GB of DDR3 RAM in dual channel memory mode, and we are going to feel some pain today visually. Now, this game boots off of DirectX 12 right off the bat, so once you load into the game, it'll crash on an Intel HD 4600. You actually have to create a property, create a shortcut, and simply put into the tagline -DX11 to get it to run with DirectX 11 instead. Now, from right off what I'm running with right now, I'm running at 640 by 480 with 50% of that. I don't think it's that. It should be 960 by 540, but it's a weird thing with this port. It's very weird with how this works. I'm not exactly sure, but we'll get into it anyway. Anyway, we have everything on the lowest preset, and we're gonna jump into the gameplay right now. What did I do that changed? What did I do that changed my frame rate? Let's go to the track and see what happens.
There's movement in the pits. The bike is ready, and the rider is about to take to the track.
Now, I had this game running over 60 FPS on my Intel HD 620. I think I did some. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I had this game running over 60 FPS on the Intel HD 620. I expected to do similar numbers around here, but then again, I don't feel like I went as low as I did previously. That being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. I have no idea how to play these games. Like, oh, I didn't even realize I had control. I didn't even realize I had control. My bad. My bad. Didn't even realize they gave me control. So, you can run the game at 30 FPS. We didn't need to drop it as far down as I did. But for the sake of the video, I did. Well, actually, kind of we did, actually, because it wouldn't have been much better otherwise. We're barely hitting over 30. But you get the gist of what I'm trying to say. It's not easy, but with a 620, you can handle this game with no issue. Now, if you watched my RX 570 and Iris 540 video, you know I drove a terribly bad. Like, it sucked. Honestly, this isn't going to be any different. I don't know how to play these games. MotoGP never been for me. But it's a new game, and I benchmark everything on my channel, so here I am. But other than that, I'm gonna crash. Yep, other than that, I'm just putting out the video, because this is the last time I'll ever play this game. Last time. Just to let people be aware that, hey, you can run this game. Even on low-end hardware, it will run for you. For those who actually do want to play a MotoGP for whatever reason. Oh, that was low. That was low. It's like I'm just not getting the angling of the turn correctly. Like when I turn, I'm just not getting that angling down right. So I gotta brake early and see what happens. But not too low. See, I'm going a bit too low. Nonetheless, we don't really care about that. The point is the game is running really well on an Intel HD 4600 as well. Like I said, with the 620 we were doing over 60 FPS, so stay lookout. It runs. But once again, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. So you can play MotoGP 22 on the very low-end hardware. Now, once again, I apologize for the two previous, the Iris 540 and the RS 570 videos. Those were terrible. But we got it running nonetheless. I crashed again because I can't play this game. It's not using 7 gigs of RAM either. It's very low-end friendly. 8 gigs of RAM can run this game. We have 16. And I'm going the wrong way now. Beautiful. But once again, I'm just going to mute myself now and enjoy the rest of the gameplay until the video ends. Ah, this is painful to see. I know. I know, guys. I'm with you. I'll see you guys next time. If you guys are curious, I will leave a config file down in the description below for you guys to simply copy and paste into your user documents, but I still do it in the next video as well. So if you guys really want to play this and you have low-end hardware that badly, it'll be there.